Welcome to Unpacking the Backpack, a podcast dedicated to diving deep into the realms of teaching, learning, and educational leadership. Today, we embark on a thought-provoking journey through the landscape of disruptive thinking, a concept that I believe holds the keys to unlocking the potential in our classrooms, and more importantly, in our students. Disruptive thinking is not just a buzzword, it's an essential approach in today's ever-evolving world, offering a roadmap to navigate through the complexities and uncertainties of the future. At its core, disruptive thinking empowers learners to challenge conventional ideas and seek innovative solutions to real-world problems. But how do we cultivate this mindset? How do we embed these values in our educational practices? Our exploration today centers around the 6 dimensions of disruptive thinkers, a concept I've delved into recently. These dimensions form the cornerstone of fostering a culture of innovation and critical thinking in our educational institutions. Let's walk through these 6 dimensions together. First, we have creative scholars. These learners are not just consumers of information, but creators. They generate ideas, explore possibilities, and make original connections, always in search of innovative solutions. Next, reflective learners come into play. Individuals who are constantly evaluating their strengths and limitations. They set realistic goals, invite feedback, and are agile enough to make necessary adjustments in their learning journey. Collaborative workers are the third dimension. They thrive in team settings, valuing different perspectives and working towards common goals. Their ability to adapt and take responsibility for their roles is paramount in a collaborative environment. Then, we mustn't overlook active engagers. These students actively explore issues that impact them and their communities. They're not bystanders, but participants, driven to make a difference. Self-directed managers, our fifth dimension, showcase initiative, creativity, and a commitment to continuous learning. They're organizers at heart, ready to embrace change and tackle challenges head-on. Lastly, autonomous inquirers embody the spirit of inquiry. They process and evaluate information meticulously, plan their actions, and make informed decisions, respecting other viewpoints while holding strong to their convictions. Incorporating these dimensions into our educational paradigms is not as daunting as it may seem. It naturally follows when we employ sound pedagogical strategies like cooperative, personalized, problem-based, blended, and project-based learning. By fostering these dimensions, we're not merely preparing students for exams or graduation. We're equipping them with the competencies to thrive, no matter where life takes them. Disruptive thinkers are what the world perennially needs, and it's up to us, educators and educational leaders, to ensure that supply meets demand. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on how we can nurture these dimensions in our learning environments. How can we shift from being defenders of the status quo to being champions of disruptive innovation? Thank you for joining me on Unpacking the Backpack. Until next time, keep thinking, keep questioning, and stay disruptive.